This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in the form itself because this is the only built-in link that keeps data live. Open Responses, then click the green Sheets icon, choose Create a new spreadsheet or select Existing. You're doing this now so that each submission writes straight to rows with timestamps and question headers, which prevents manual copy-paste errors. Once linked, the sheet is the authoritative record. Make sure you use the form's account that owns the destination spreadsheet to avoid permission conflicts. After clicking the Sheets icon, pick the proper destination, either a new file or an existing spreadsheet. Choose carefully because renaming later doesn't break the connection, but moving ownership can. Confirm headers match your form questions. If you change questions later, the sheet updates columns in order of the form. Once done, set any form-level controls like collecting emails or required answers so the sheet receives the fields you expect. Make sure collaborators have sheet access if they must view live responses. Finish by submitting at least one test response and watch the spreadsheet populate in real time. This confirms the link works. You can now build filters, charts, or pivot tables directly against the live data, which is why linking is superior to manual imports. If responses don't show, first verify you're signed into the form owner account and that the spreadsheet's sharing settings permit writing. If necessary, unlink and relink from responses Sheets icon to re-establish the live connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.